Ever pondered the significance of protein for muscle recovery and growth? Sure, it's a building block, a fuel source, a catalyst for strength. Today, we're going to whip up the ultimate protein smoothie that will not only tickle your taste buds, but also boost your muscle recovery and growth. Begin by gathering these ingredients: 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk, 1 ripe banana, a handful of spinach, a scoop of your favorite protein powder, a tablespoon of almond butter, and a dash of cinnamon for that extra kick. First, pour the almond milk into a high-speed blender. Almond milk provides a creamy, dairy-free base, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Next, peel and toss in the ripe banana. Bananas are a fantastic source of natural sugars, providing quick energy and aiding in muscle recovery. Now let's introduce the spinach. Don't shy away. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients, and its taste will blend seamlessly with the other ingredients. Then comes the star of the show, your favorite protein powder. This will give you the protein boost necessary for muscle recovery and growth. Choose a powder that suits your dietary preferences and needs. Next, add a dollop of almond butter. This not only enhances the smoothie's nutty flavor, but also adds a healthy dose of protein and fats. Finally, sprinkle in a dash of cinnamon. This spice will give your smoothie a warming, sweet taste and has the added bonus of anti-inflammatory properties. Blend all these ingredients together until smooth and creamy, then pour into a glass and enjoy. To sum it up, this ultimate protein smoothie is more than just a delicious drink. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, designed to aid in muscle recovery and growth. With the perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates, it's the ideal post-workout refuel or a brilliant start to an active day. So go ahead, give it a whirl, and feel the difference it makes to your fitness journey. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and while you are at it, head on over to harmonysmoothie.com for more great smoothie tips and recipes.